A new coffee machine needs to be set up over and over again to make a good cup of coffee. While EasyLink Wi-Fi kit can be linked with just one click. With simple configuration, it is able to run stably without complicated settings. It has helped me excel at my job while preserving unexpected beauty. It allows a stable view of the screen and control every detail in real time. There is no doubt that the EasyLink Wi-Fi kit is my reliable partner. Meanwhile, the efficient and secure storage, which can easily help me to deal with emergencies. And allow me to build a stable link between me and my clients, impresses me a lot.